Good morning, all of you. Today we'll do the exercises and question answers of the second history chapter, European powers in India. So open your books to page number 24. Open your books to page number 24. First, let's mark the exercises. But this you will help me to mark. I will not give you all the answers. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, first fill in the blanks. Dash discovered the sea route to India.
Vasco da Gama.
Okay,
Vasco da Gama.
Right, Vasco. VASCO, a small dash. DA, again a small dash. Gama, GAMA. Next, the Europeans initially came to India for dash.
Trade.
Trade. Okay,
Trade.
correct. Trade. The conflict between the British and the French led to the Dash Wars. Which wars?
Ma'am, Carnatic Wars.
Carnatic Wars. Right. Carnatic Wars. CARNATIC. CARNATIC. Carnatic Wars. Okay. Madras, Calcutta and Bombay were called Dash towns. They were called presidency towns. Presidency. 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 Presidency towns. Next, the Dash War of Succession triggered of the Carnatic War in India. That also I think you'll find it difficult to tell. Right? Austrian, 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 the Austrian War of Succession. Okay, next, the British factory at Dash was captured by Sirajuddaulah. This you can tell me. This we did, yes, on Monday. The British factory at which place was captured by Sirajuddaulah? Page number 21. The second new paragraph. Starting with annoyed by this act. Now tell me the answer.
Qasim Bazar.
Right, Qasim Bazar.
Qasim Bazar.
Okay, write down Qasim Bazar. KASIMBAZAR. KASIMBAZAR. Qasim Bazar. Dash was an important banker of Bengal. Dash was an important banker of Bengal. Now these answers you people should be telling me. The same page.
Ma'am, Jagat Seth.
Right, Jagat Seth. Jagat Seth. JAGAT Jagat Seth. Seth, SETH. Seth. The territories of dash, dash and dash were given to the British by Sirajuddaulah.
Bihar, Bengal and Orissa.
Or alright, write down Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. Bengal, PENGAL, Bihar and Orissa. Elizabeth I was the queen of
England.
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 Alright.
England.
Okay, correct. Now we move on to the next exercise. Choose the correct option. The mercantile theory held that colonies exist for the dash of the mother country and are useless unless they help to achieve profit.
Economic benefit.
Economic benefit, correct. Economic benefit. In the Battle of Plassey, fought in 1757, Nawab Sirajuddaula of Bengal was defeated by the British forces. Who led the British forces in this battle?
Robert Clive.
Robert Clive, correct. Robert Clive. Vasco da Gama reached Calicut on May 20th, which year?
1498.
1498, right. Match the following. Formation of the French East India Company,
1664. 1664.
1664. Battle of Buxar,
1764.
1764. And famine in Bengal,
1770.
1770.
1770.
Okay, 1770. Now tell if the following sentences are true or false. In 1660, London merchants formed the East India Company.
True. True. True.
In
False.
1660, yes. Which year did they make the East India Company? Form the East India Company. Come on. One person said false. Who was that? Who said false? So whoever said false, false is the correct answer. It was in 1600 that the East India Company was formed. 1600, Queen Elizabeth I, she gave the charter. Okay. Vasco da Gama reached India in 1492.
False.
False. He reached India in which year?
1498.
1498. The modern period in India began at the same time as in Europe.
False.
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 Okay. The three Carnatic wars proved decisive for the victory of the English over their French rivals.
True. True.
True.
True.
Okay, true. Now we move on to question answers. Who was Adam Smith? Alright, page number 15. The second paragraph. From second paragraph, seventh word here is in the first line after the comma. It is written noted. Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before that you can add Adam Smith. Adam Smith. Adam Smith, noted, add a also. Single letter a. So Adam Smith, a noted 18th century Scottish economist. After that you can cut Adam Smith again. Scottish economist was responsible for coining the term mercantile system. So your answer would be Adam Smith, a noted 18th century Scottish economist, was responsible for coining the term mercantile system. Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. What was the basis of mercantilism? What was the basis of mercantilism? Page 23 under the heading points to remember the first one. Page 23 under the heading points to remember the first one. The basis of mercantilism was the notion that national wealth is measured by the amount of gold and silver a nation possesses. Got it, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, next one. Who were the
Yes.
first to trade with India? Who were the first to trade with India?
Ma'am, Portuguese.
Portuguese, right. So you can write this on your own. The Portuguese were the first to trade with India. I think that much you can do.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright,
Yes, ma'am.
so you will
Yes,
take
ma'am.
the answer from the question itself, but just add the Portuguese. So the Portuguese were the first to trade with India. Where were the Dutch present in India? Where were the Dutch present in India? For this, come to page number 17 under the heading The Dutch and Their Trade in India. The second paragraph from the first line. The main Dutch settlements in India were Cochin and Nagapattam on Madras coast, and Chinsura in Bengal. Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Who permitted various European stations in his territory? Who permitted various European trading stations in his territory? So this also you can write from the question itself. The answer is the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. So your answer would be the Mughal Emperor Jahangir permitted various European trading stations in his territory. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Move on to the long ones. Why was Siraj-ud-Daulah defeated in the Battle of Plassey? Why was Siraj-ud-Daulah defeated in the Battle of Plassey? Page number 21. Just the paragraph above the Battle of Plassey. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Siraj-ud-Daulah's own officials.
Yes, ma'am.
Own officials, that one. They are asking the reason why he was defeated in the Battle of Plassey. So Siraj-ud-Daulah's own officials, relatives and the bankers, they were all against. So this whole paragraph from Siraj-ud-Daulah till fabulous wealth for himself. This paragraph would be your answer to the first long question. Have all of you marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the system of dual government? Page number 22 under the heading Treaty of Allahabad. Or wait, what was the system of dual government? Yes, Treaty of under the heading Treaty of Allahabad, the second paragraph. Mark the second paragraph. The Treaty of Allahabad marked the end of the Nawab's authority till enjoyed power without responsibility. Marked all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
third. Explain the Battle of Buxar. For this, come to page 22, same page, page 22, under the heading Battle of Buxar, mark the first paragraph, the whole first paragraph, and from the second paragraph, mark from the second last line. So first paragraph you will mark from the Battle of Buxar was fought between the English till uh, Nawab Shujauddaulah and Shah Alam submitted. Then come to the next paragraph and the second last line. It gave the English an opportunity to bring under their control the northwestern frontier of the Suba. Mark this also. This is your third long answer. All of you marked?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we move on to the last one. Explain the victory that made Clive the virtual master of Bengal. Explain the victory that made Clive the virtual master of Bengal. Come to page 21. Under the heading Battle of Plassey. Under the Battle of Plassey, the second paragraph, start from the first line. The Battle of Plassey was a decisive battle and had far-reaching consequences. The Nawab was defeated and put to death. Mir Jafar, the commander-in-chief of Nawab's army, was made the next Nawab. Makes the Nawab. Then he was a mere puppet in the hands of the English, who became the virtual rulers of Bengal. Then the English got the right to free trade in Bengal, Bihar and Orissa, and got the territory of 24 Parganas. Mark till 24 Parganas. Then leave or come to the next line. Thus the Battle of Plassey laid the foundation of the British Empire in India and paved the way for the British mastery over the whole of India. So page 21 under the heading Battle of Plassey, second paragraph from the first line till fifth line, and then come again down to the sixth line. Mark from thus the Battle of Plassey till over the whole of India. Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so that completes the history chapter.